guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be doing a natural look because I'm going to my grandma's and we're going to be setting up her tree today, her Christmas tree, even though we're like halfway through December. So anyways, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a like natural look that you can do for every day, and it's like pretty fast. Guys, I was so out of breath and I don't know why. I just drank a whole bottle of water, so I'm just like all over the place right now. And I have to do all of this in under an hour. So doing a full face basically of makeup in under an hour. Help me. Okay, anyways. Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna start now. So yeah, I'm gonna start now. Okay, now I'm going in with my two primers, my Blemish Control Primer and my Poreless Primer, both from E.L.F Cosmetics. So now I'm doing my foundation, and I'm using actually two brands. I'm using Ulta Beauty's HD foundation in the color tan, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline 24-hour foundation in the color warm coconut. So I'm actually going to wet my sponge just to kind of help my sponge blend out my foundation, so that it doesn't look all splotchy and stuff, and then it helps just mixing the two color tones together and to give it more of a flawless look. So now I'm going in with my concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I believe I used the shade 20, either 20 or 25, either or. They're like warm toned concealers that I like to use, even though sometimes it leaves me a little too white under the eye, but I would recommend going over under the eye with at the bottom of the sponge that you use for your foundation. That way it kind of helps that blend look more seamless. So now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, finishing powder, and this is in the shade Fair Light, I believe. I use this just under my eye and on the bridge of my nose to kind of brighten it up a little bit, and to also help with my creasing, especially under my eye, and also with, you know, any like sweat I get during the day. The powder kind of definitely helps with that. Even though I do not have oily skin, I have more like combination skin, but I will say the finishing powder does really help kind of set my makeup, especially under my eye. Like I said, I crease a lot under my eye. Alrighty, now it's time to do our eyebrows. I swear this is like my favorite part, other than doing my eyes and contouring and highlighting. The eyebrow pomade that I use is it's in the shade Deep Dark Brunette, and it's the eyebrow pomade from MAC. I've used Anastasia Beverly before, but I didn't really care for it. It dried out a little too quick for me, and the MAC one is honestly easier for me to use and cheaper. I think it's like $15 to $18, something like that, but it definitely lasts me a while, like a very long time. So now I'm just going in with my concealer again in the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I think this is still the shade 20 or 25, whichever I use for my under eye. And I just like to, sharpen up the bottom of my eyebrow, and then I also okay, look, I really don't really care for doing the top of my eyebrow unless it's just to clean it up, but really I feel like you should really try to only do the bottom of your eyebrow if you can. But like I said, I just do the top to kind of clean it up sometimes if I really need to. But if it's, I will tell you, if you do end up doing your top part, you definitely want to try and blend it out, because if you don't, it's just gonna look like, you're just gonna be able to tell that you put concealer on there. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to be using my MAC paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre. And this, I try to do a generous amount on my eye, just because it's not concealer, and so it's really thick, but it's not as liquidy as a concealer, but at the same time it's very sticky. So I will say that my lashes, my eyeshadow does, apply well on top of it, but at the same time I definitely want to try using the Tarte Shape Tape, just because I know a lot of other makeup artists use that one, and that one especially is really great when you're doing color, at least from what I've seen. But your girl cannot afford a $28 concealer, so it's gonna be my paint pot for now. Okay, so for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the James Charles Morphe Brushes palette. This is the Unleash Your Inner Artist palette, and I love it. It literally has like all like sort of different colors. It's really like just looks like a rainbow, and it's just so amazing. There's so many looks I can get out of it. But I don't know why I really want to venture off into color eyeshadows, you know, because that's the only reason why I bought the palette, because it had so many beautiful colors. But I seem to be sticking with just natural, you know, colors and a lot of pinks and browns. So I definitely, in my next video, I really want to try and be a little more adventurous and get into other colors. I just don't know how I'm going to do that yet. But yeah, like I said, my next video definitely will try and make it a different like pop of color look for you guys. Alrighty, it is lash time, and today I'm using the Lash Style Legendary from E.L.F Cosmetics. I also have a discount code with them that you guys can use, and it's 10% off, and it's going to be listed below, and it was also listed here just a moment ago. But guys, look how much I progressed. I used to never wear lashes, or at least if I did, it was for a very, very, very special and rare occasion, because lashes were not my friend. But now they are, and I love them. Oh my gosh, guys, like I love lashes now. I still am trying to get the grasp of it and like applying it, because I don't like using a lash applicator. I really just use my fingers. I don't know, it's just easier for me to do it that way. And then I gotta find a different glue, because for right now I've been using the Duo glue, and I absolutely hate it. Like, it smells so nasty, and it takes forever to dry. So if you guys have any recommendations of lash glues that you guys love, definitely comment that below. Let me know, because your girl is looking for a new lash glue to use, because the one I have smells like fish and is really annoying. It gives me headaches, guys. It gives me headaches. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Morphe contour palette, and I believe this is the shade Debutant. I love this contour palette. Like, I love it. It bronzes me up so nice, and then it's very versatile. Like, I can use it on light skin tones and dark skin tones, and that's why I love this palette, guys. I don't know if you noticed, but I have a lot of things from Morphe. Like, Morphe is my go-to makeup company, like, for everything. I really want to try out their new lipsticks. think they have like lip gloss and matte lipsticks that they just added, and I really want to try them out. Oh my god. Okay, so here I'm spraying the heck out of my brush that I'm going to use to highlight. Yeah, my son messed up my Babe in Paradise palette like in this video, and I'm beyond pissed. But yeah, I ended up using, I don't know what shade I actually used now I think about it. I'll put it in the description below, because at the moment I cannot think of what shade I used. But yeah, I think it's like a pink shade. I don't know. But like I said, I'll put it in the description below. But yeah, I just kind of highlighted my cheekbones, my nose, and my lips. I forgot what that's called, that area between your lips and your nose. But yeah. Done. My son is having a fit, and he just ate dirt from this plant that's sitting next to me. I don't know how he got dirt. And then he messed up my Babe in Paradise Morphe palette, so anyways, yeah, I'm done. Anyways, be sure to like, comment, subscribe below for any more videos. I'll definitely try to bring you guys more. Mind you, this look was made, the eye look is made strictly from the James Charles Alicia Inner Artist palette. Guys, help me with this boy, please. Somebody come get this child. But anyways, it's all done. I hope you guys like it. Thank you. Mwah.